This is a quick tutorial about creating a Remind101 account for student and parent communication. To get started, type Remind101.com in the URL area. This is the home screen you will find. Simply click Start Communicating with your class. You will be prompted to fill in several fields of information. Once you've filled in the information, hit Sign Up. And the next screen you will see prompts you to start a class. So I'm going to create a class called Math 1, Math First Period. Hit Add. At this point, the next two screens are optional. I'm going to skip this screen because you can do this at any time. Don't hit skip, hit next. And then on the next screen, it will ask you to send a message. Go ahead and hit send. For the sake of time, I'm going to advance us onto the main screen that you see here now. This is a screen that you will return to when you log in each time. You can see here that I have set up one math class. And if you look at the upper right hand corner, this is important information. This is the information that you will provide to your students and parents so that they can sign up for this class. I'm going to hit print. And when I do, this PDF pops up. This is perfect to send to parents. To sign up for text messages, they simply type this number, which is a safe number generated by Remind101, and in the message area they type @A7C. Or if they'd like email notifications, they simply send an email to the specified address. These will change for each class, so don't try to memorize these because you'll have a different one for every class that you establish. Moving back to the home screen, if you go to Edit beside Math 1, you have the opportunity to edit this class. You can change the class name. If you don't like the class code, you can create your own class code that may be a little easier to remember, or you can remove the class. I'm going to hit Update because I'm not going to make any changes. But I do want to show you how to add a class. Simply go over here and click Add a Class. And I'm going to add a Math 2 class, Math Second Period, and create a class code. I've entered 1-2 Math, already taken, so let's try another one. Already in use, or not, it's actually accepted it. So you'll see here I have Math 1 class and Math 2 class. Over here, now my active field is Math 2, and you can see how my information for parents have changed. This simply enrolls them in a separate class from the Math 1 class that we originally created. You'll notice this information is different for that class. At this point in time, we're looking at our Math 1 class. You can see over here in the bottom right corner I have no subscribers. When your students subscribe and your parents, you'll be able to see their names over here. You should also probably subscribe so that you can receive the same text messages and monitor them. How do you send the message? Very easy. If I want to send the message to Math 1, or I can send it to Math 1 and Math 2, or just Math 1, simple to navigate there. But you simply type your message in this field. You are limited to 140 characters. You now have two options. You can send it as is. You can schedule it for later, giving you the option of different days and or times. You would simply make changes here according to what your needs were. I'm not going to schedule it. I'm going to go ahead and send it. And that's it. Your message has been sent. Once the message has been sent, you'll see down here at the bottom, this is the message that we just created. We sent to the Math 1 class. Here's the time and the date that we sent it, and this is the content of the message. Remind101 will keep a running picture of every message that you send for you to review through if you need to. You can also, if you schedule messages, hit the scheduled button, and Remind101 shows you what messages you have scheduled and when you have them scheduled for. As you can see, I don't have any. Or simply toggle back to the current sent messages. And basically, that's how simple this program is to use. Not only is this a great program for sending information about class assignments, deadlines, assessments, and activities, as well as school activities, it's a good way just to pose questions for students to think about and ask parents and friends maybe over the weekend to further engage them outside of the school walls in the curriculum that you're teaching. Good luck with Remind101 in your classroom.